Hi, welcome to this quick video about one of the features of workshop software. What we're going to cover today is the vehicle history. So jump straight into it. I'm going to go and search for a registration or a license plate. I'm going to go and create, in this instance, create an invoice. It could be doing a job or a booking or whatever. But basically when I do a transaction, you've got this star action here and you can see the vehicle history. So when you click that, you can then print out the vehicle history and you can see all the history from the newest or the most recent history backwards. You'll notice that you can print all the details, or you can get a summary as well. And so when you print all the details, it'll show you things like any notes and all that sort of stuff, and you can see all the details of the vehicle history. The other option is, if I just jump back into that transaction, is if you click on the actual transaction itself, the vehicle in the transaction, what you can do is you can scroll down here and you can see the vehicle invoices. So for example, if you wanted to see this brake service, you could open up that transaction and look at it, maybe reprint it. You might want to email it off to the customer or do anything like that. You can fully do that as well. The other option is that you can get the history in the report section. And if you wanted to email or print that or whatever, you can do that as well. So you could email it to the client, you could email it to somebody else. It's fully flexible. So there's numerous ways of getting vehicle history inside workshop software, and there's just a couple of them. Thanks for watching.